Welcome to Rockley Beach, also known as Accra Beach, one of the most popular spots on Barbados' south coast. The soft white sand and turquoise waters make this a perfect place for a beach stroll, and there's always a gentle breeze coming off the sea. Just behind the tree line, you'll find a mix of beach bars, shade rentals, and cozy hotels, including the Blue Horizon Hotel, just steps away. As we walk further, notice how the beach opens up. It's a favorite spot for both locals and tourists to relax, swim, or just soak in the sun. Along this stretch, the shoreline feels even more expansive. The sand stays soft and smooth, and the view of the surf rolling in is just incredible. The beach seems to go on endlessly, a truly peaceful place. We're nearing the end of our walk, close to the restaurant area where you can grab some flying fish or grilled chicken, true Bajan favorites. Thanks for joining me on this walk along Rockley Beach. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe for more peaceful travel walks from around the world.